Good day everyone, and today we are here in Chendisitas kasi katatapos lang ng anti-rabies ni Cody at sinama na namin si Chloe. And dito kami sa barbecue area, may mga stalls dito na bago. Tapos may squid, yan ang order namin guys. Yan. Sobrang sarap ng barbecue nila dito, guys. At dito yung dalawa, waiting for daddy and mommy kasi kumakain kami. And thank you for always watching. Please like and subscribe and please hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga lakwatsa namin. God bless everyone!